Butterfly. It is about 2 to 4 inches, but very fast. What's that mean? It mimics the poisonous pipevine swallowtail. I named her Jennifer after my mom. Butterflies can be trained to be pets. This butterfly does not migrate. Butterflies are not afraid of humans, but if you try to touch it, it'll fly away because it can see out of every direction. Butterflies are very fast animals. This butterfly is one of the fastest butterflies because it is much smaller than most of the others. There are 3 ways to escape a prairie fire. Fly.
Run.
And burrow. Gotta fly.
Gotta run.
Gotta burrow.